Okay, I have a 2019 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic VN900B, and I'm going to be sending this off to Ivan to have the ECU flashed. Sorry, going to be sending out the ECU, and I didn't find anywhere online that had any kind of videos of how you actually remove the ECU. So after doing a bunch of research and actually talking to Ivan directly, I have wanted to show you exactly how to do this. So first step is to remove the seat. So to put the key into the side there, pop it off just like that. Really easy. And the next thing we have to do is we have to actually get underneath the little compartment here that has all the tools and everything in there where the battery is. So we're going to start by removing the little lid right here, put that off to the side, and we'll remove the bag of parts and remove all my insurance info. And there's two Phillips head screws right there. They do give you a Phillips head screwdriver inside of the kit right there, but it's very small, not very useful, so just going to use my own screwdriver. This is actually the only tool that we should be needing, is the one screwdriver. So we'll remove these two screws. Almost out. It's out, there we go. Of course I dropped it on the ground. And we're gonna grab the other one over here. And that should be all we need to do to actually remove this plastic piece. We do need to move a couple of cables out of the way. So this cable right here we want to move out of the way so it's not going to get in the way. And same thing, this is the cable that actually releases the trunk here, or the seat, whatever you want to call it. So just kind of push this guy out of that little piece right there. Then we should be able to just lift this right out. Alright, so you have your battery right here, and then it's the box that's right in front of it, which is the ECU, which is this one right here. So what we need to do is just move a couple things out of the way. Probably need to move that one wire that's going into the negative terminal, maybe a little bit off to the side there. And yeah, we should be able to lift that right out. What I'm going to do, I'm going to actually turn this one out of the way as well, because I know that's going to get in the way pretty quick. Okay, so this should be the ECU module right here, and it's not being held in by really anything, so it should be able to just lift right out of here. Put that down. Grab it with both hands. And yeah, there's the two plugs on the side there. There we go. It's a bit tight, but there it is right there. And now all I have to do is just unplug the two wiring harnesses that are going to it, which are right here. There's just a little tab right here that you should be able to just push in on either one of them. Let's try this one. This one feels a little tighter. Yep, there we go. And there we go.